Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is photo captured and stolen vehicle using ESP32 camera and Arduino Uno R3 GSM GPS. So here we are using Arduino Uno R3 and GSM SIM 800L OV2640 camera, AI Thinker camera module, power supply 5 volts, and key it is connected to the fifth pin, theft key. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, it is connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Engine, it is connected to the 7th pin. GPS, it is connected to the 3rd pin. And RX, TX, it is connected to the 0 and 1. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using ESP32 camera module, OV2640 camera, ESP32S, and one red LED and one green LED for the status, LM358 operational amplifier. So here we are giving 3.3 volts output to the camera. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3, 16x2 LCD display, GPS module, and theft key. Theft key, it is at green side. Engine, GSM SIM 800L we are using, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. So you can use any 3G 4G SIM card. Okay, 16x2 LCD display. So now I'm going to give the power supply. So here we will get the alert on the Telegram app. So getting GPS, here GPS LED is blinking. GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully. Then it will go for open the app. You can take app or you can send SMS. There is no key. So here we are going to start the engine by using some command. Okay. So owner can start the vehicle by using engine on and motor off. So engine is on. There is no SMS alert. So you can stop the engine. Hash capital S dot motor off, then star. So we can stop the vehicle. The engine will stops. MOTOROFF. Hash capital S dot MOTOROFF. Motor is off. Now I am going for theft key. Okay, theft key, green side, red side. Red is the theft key, red side on. So it will send the alert message to my mobile phone. Yeah, vehicle engine on, vehicle location, latitude value, longitude value, theft key detected. So now I want to send message called hash capital S dot no, then star. So I send it. I am not driving this car, so I am sending this message vehicle track. So it will send the photos on the Telegram app. Okay, yeah. So this is the last one. Okay, again it will send red LED is on. Here also green orange LED is on. Yeah, theft alert came 5:23. Time is also 5:23. Again another message came. So timing is 5:23. 5:23. Either the time is 5:23. So we can stop the vehicle permanently using the message called vehicle stop. So this is vehicle trap, or you can stop permanently also. Otherwise you can track the vehicle also using this command VEC TRACK. So permanently stop, VEC STOP stop. So you can permanently stop the vehicle on road also. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. So like that we will get the SMS alert. So this is my block diagram.